Hi, my name is Afreen and I'm here to share some pieces of advice to help you land your offer in products. Now be sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for new tech interview prep videos every week. Now, product management can be a very hard role to land straight out of college. Most product management roles requires years of work experience. Plus, there are many technical and non-technical folks applying for the few PM roles out there. But there are several steps that you can take to maximize the likelihood of you getting that internship. Now, first what you will do is you'll need to get your PM interview. Now, to do so, you'll need a very product-focused resume. A product-focused resume is one that shows you either have PM experience or you have the potential to become a product manager. Now, if you don't have a prior PM experience, think of any side projects that you worked upon, right? Where you have taken the role of a product manager, right? See, usually product managers work cross-functionally, across teams from design to engineering to marketing. Now, if you have any experience in these areas that a product manager, would interact with, call them out, especially if you've made a direct impact on the products. And finally, if you have any leadership experience, whether it's in a school club or at work, list those as well. It definitely, gives a good signal to see aspiring product managers hold leadership roles of some kind. Now that you have crafted your resume, second thing that you'll want to do is get as seen by the right companies. Now, that was something that I have struggled with early on in my career, was not knowing where to apply. I'm sure all of us struggle with that, right? Now, I sometimes would hear that a friend will get an offer from, XYZ company for product manager. And I'll be like, yo, I didn't even know they were hiring for product manager interns, right? Something that I've also found to be valuable is to apply for a product manager role with the help of a referral. Now, for some companies, applying with a referral will guarantee that a human will look at your resume rather than just a bot that screens resume for keywords, right? I mean, it kind of makes sense, right? Because thousands of students apply for PM internships, right, directly, but only a subset of them will apply through an employer's referral. Right. Now, also, what the benefit of applying by referral is that companies will see that existing employees is referring someone, and it's reasonable to assume that most employees will only refer qualified applicants. So this helps the company reach out to only applicants who are most likely to pass the interview, right? Now, the third thing, now that you've crafted a very impressive resume and you've submitted it to a bunch of roles, you probably have a few interviews that you need to tackle now. Now, for product management internships, there are three kinds of interviews you will want to prepare. There are behavioral, product, and case. Now, for behavioral, for product management internships, the behavioral interview is usually one where the team will try to see if you'll be a good fit as a teammate. Now, this means judging you on your ability to communicate any past relevant experience you might have, or as well as, whether you exude that positive energy, right? Now, here companies will also try to gauge why you want to be a product manager in the very first place, right? Common questions that would be included in your interview at this stage would be, why do you want to be a product manager? And in your own words, what exactly is a product manager? And why do you want to be a product manager at this company specifically? My advice here is to try show that you're a good team player and that you have a few stories prepared around why you would want to be a product manager. Second, you'll want to prepare for product case questions. So you will, either be asked a product sense question or a product execution question, right? Now, product sense questions, they test your creative problem solving abilities, right? An example of this could be, that you designed YouTube for kids and your interview will be looking for the ability for you to be, user focused and solve user problems, right? Moving on to product execution questions, right? On the other hand, they actually test your analytical abilities, right? Here you might be asked questions on how you measure the success of a product or how you find the root cause to some problem. Finally, some PM internship interviews will ask you technical questions. Now, my suggestion here is to ask your recruiter what you can expect in your interviews. If they do mention that you'll have a technical round, you can try to dive a little deeper and ask what kind of technical questions you will get. For example, are they going to be discussing with engineering, coding, or some design questions? Now, the technical round might be the one that's most concerning for students, right? Who are applying to product management internships, especially for non-technical applicants, because I can understand it sounds intimidating. So I just want to assure you that over the years, I have seen PM internship interviews trending towards being less heavy on the technical side and more focused on the behavioral and product case side. But if you're worried about this, don't worry, you're not alone. Each company does have a different expectations from their product management interns. So you just need to double check with your recruiter on how technical this round might be for you, and that's it. You are ready to apply for your product management interviews. Well, thank you for watching, and for more product management interview prep, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and good luck with your upcoming product management interviews.